Google has done it again. They have created a new AI model. This model is called Titans. Titans follows Google's earlier success with transformer models. These models changed how we use language with AI. Titans promises to be even more powerful and versatile. This new AI model has the potential to revolutionize various fields. From healthcare to finance, Titans could change the way we live and work. Join us as we explore the exciting world of Titans. We'll see what it means for the future of AI. To understand Titans, we must first look at transformers. Transformers are a type of AI model. They were introduced by Google in 2017. They quickly became the gold standard for natural language processing. Transformers are good at understanding the relationships between words in a sentence. This helps them perform tasks like translation and text summarization very well. They are also good at generating creative content. This includes poems, code, and even music. The success of Transformers paved the way for Titans. Titans takes the core principles of Transformers and enhances them. This results in an even more powerful and efficient AI model. Titans is a significant leap forward in AI technology. It builds upon the strengths of Transformers. However, it introduces several key innovations. These innovations make it more powerful, efficient, and adaptable. One major improvement is its size and processing speed. Titans is designed to handle much larger data sets. It can also process information significantly faster than previous models. This allows it to tackle more complex tasks with greater accuracy. Another key feature is its adaptability. Titans can be easily fine-tuned for specific tasks. This means it can be used for a wider range of applications. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for researchers and developers across various fields. The field of AI is constantly evolving. New models are emerging all the time. So how does Titans stack up against the competition? Compared to other large language models, Titans stands out. It boasts superior performance on various benchmarks. These include natural language understanding, text generation, and problem solving. Its ability to learn from massive datasets and adapt to new information gives it a significant edge. While other models excel in specific areas, Titans aims to be more versatile. Its adaptability and efficiency make it a strong contender across a wider range of applications. This positions Titans as a potential game-changer in the AI landscape. Section 5. A universe of applications where Titans will reign supreme. The potential applications of Titans are vast and varied. Its ability to understand and process information like a human makes it incredibly versatile. In healthcare, Titans could help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. It could also personalize treatment plans based on a patient's medical history. This could revolutionize healthcare as we know it. In finance, Titans could analyze market trends and provide investment recommendations. This would help investors make more informed decisions. Its ability to detect fraud could also make financial systems more secure. These are just a few examples of how Titans could be used. Its potential applications are limited only by our imagination. Section 6. A Titan's Touch, Revolutionizing Industries with AI. The impact of Titans extends far beyond just specific applications. It is not limited to a single sector or a particular use case. Instead, it spans across various domains, bringing about significant changes and improvements. It has the potential to revolutionize entire industries, from healthcare to finance, and from manufacturing to customer service. The possibilities are endless. In manufacturing, Titans could optimize production processes and improve efficiency. This means faster production times, fewer errors, and higher quality products. It could also enable the creation of smarter and more autonomous robots. These robots can perform complex tasks with precision and adapt to new challenges. This could lead to increased productivity and reduced costs. Companies can save money on labor and materials, while also boosting their output. In customer service, Titans could power chatbots that provide instant and personalized support. These chatbots can handle a wide range of inquiries, from simple questions to complex issues. This would improve customer satisfaction and streamline business operations. Customers get the help they need quickly, and businesses can operate more efficiently. Its ability to translate languages could also break down communication barriers in global markets. This opens up new opportunities for international trade and collaboration. The transformative potential of Titans is undeniable. It is reshaping the way we live and work, creating new possibilities and opportunities. As its capabilities continue to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications to emerge in the future. The journey of AI is just beginning, and its impact will only grow stronger. Section 7. The two sides of a coin: benefits and challenges of Titans. Like any powerful technology, Titans comes with its own set of benefits and challenges. These dual aspects are what make the discussion around Titans so compelling and necessary. It is important to consider both sides of the coin as we venture into this new era of AI. Ignoring either the benefits or the challenges could lead to unforeseen consequences. On the one hand, Titans has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. From combating climate change to curing diseases, its applications are vast and transformative. Its applications could significantly improve the lives of millions. Imagine a world where healthcare is more accessible and environmental issues are tackled more efficiently. Its ability to automate tasks could free up human potential for more creative and fulfilling endeavors. People could focus on what truly matters to them, whether it's art, science, or spending time with loved ones. On the other hand, there are concerns about job displacement. As Titans take over more tasks, many fear that their jobs could become obsolete, leading to economic instability and the ethical implications of such advanced AI. Questions about privacy, security, and the moral responsibilities of AI developers are more pressing than ever. It is crucial to address these concerns proactively. Open dialogue and collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and the public are essential to navigate these challenges and ensure that the development and deployment of Titans prioritize human well-being. By doing so, we can harness the full potential of this technology while mitigating its risks. Section 8. Navigating the future: ethical considerations in the age of Titans. As we embrace the power of Titans, it is crucial to proceed with caution and responsibility. The immense capabilities of AI bring both opportunities and challenges that we must address thoughtfully. Ethical considerations must be at the forefront of our minds as we navigate this new technological landscape. This involves not only understanding the potential benefits, but also being acutely aware of the risks and ethical dilemmas that come with such powerful technology. One crucial aspect is ensuring fairness and preventing bias in AI systems. AI has the potential to transform industries, but if not managed properly, it can also reinforce existing inequalities. Titans learns from the data it is trained on. This data must be carefully curated to avoid embedding harmful biases. If this data reflects existing societal biases, the AI model could perpetuate or even amplify these biases. Therefore, it is essential to implement rigorous checks and balances. It is essential to develop mechanisms to detect and mitigate bias throughout the development and deployment process. This includes continuous monitoring and updating of AI systems to ensure they remain fair and unbiased. Another concern is the potential misuse of Titans for malicious purposes. The power of AI can be harnessed for good, but it can also be exploited by those with harmful intentions. It is important to establish safeguards to prevent its use in harmful applications. This includes robust security measures and ethical guidelines that govern the use of AI technology. This includes promoting responsible AI development practices and fostering international collaboration to establish ethical guidelines. By working together globally, we can ensure that the development and deployment of Titans are conducted in a manner that benefits all of humanity. Section 9. Conclusion: embracing the Titanic shift in AI. The arrival of Titans marks a significant milestone in the evolution of AI. Its power and versatility have the potential to revolutionize countless industries and aspects of our lives. However, it is crucial to approach this new era with both excitement and caution. By embracing responsible AI development practices and addressing ethical concerns proactively, we can harness the power of Titans for the betterment of humanity. The future of AI is in our hands. Let us shape it wisely and ensure that Titans leads us towards a brighter and more equitable future for all.